Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the correct IC file and that it matches your device, printer or monitor. Once that's ready, close all color-critical applications so settings apply cleanly and you don't lose work. Then open your operating system's color management panel and select the target device. Make sure to run as admin if required. From there, choose Add or Install Profile and navigate to the folder where the IC file is stored. This begins the actual installation process. Once added, you need to assign the profile to the device so it becomes active. Select the new IC profile and set it as default or recommended for that monitor or printer. This tells your system to use it for color conversions. Then open a calibrated test image or chart to inspect skin tones, neutrals, and highlights. This step shows why the profile matters. Make sure to restart image editors and previewers or reboot the machine to lock in the new color behavior before final checks. To finish, verify that color-managed applications recognize the system profile. Sometimes apps override system settings, so set the profile inside the app as well. If colors appear noticeably off, rerun your calibration or use the profile's recommendation for rendering intent and black point compensation. Once done, test print or proof at actual output conditions. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the IC profile, clear any color cache, and restart the computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.